now going to look at creating another type of animation, again using Photoshop and timeline. So 100mm by 100mm document, background change so we can edit it. We want to create a video timeline this time. So click there, and there's your timeline, turns up there. So for this example, again, it's just to show you what you can do. Don't judge me on what it looks like. So draw a circle, that feels fine. What we need to do first is change that to Smart Object. Now we've done that, if you come down here and click on this drop down, and then on the transform, that brings up the frames. So that's the first frame there. I'm going to click and drag this over to about there. So this green line shows that it should be a smooth transition. If you've got breaks in the line, so if you can only do it once you've actually put in the next frame. But if there's breaks, then it might be a little bit jittery when you play through, so you have to change the settings. So now with Move Tool, I'm going to click and drag the shape over, hit enter, and come back and move the frame line. Click and drag again. I'm going to stop there, press enter. Now what I'm going to do is edit, transform, distort. I'm just going to bring that down there, press enter again, move that over, edit, transform, distort. Going to make that, press enter, move the time frame on. Try and put that back to a circle as much as possible without spending too much time. Move that on. Enter. Oops. Move that. As you see, you can drag that back around. So I've missed out. So if I take it back to about there, press enter. I keep forgetting to move that one. Quickly do this just to get you an idea. Again, there's loads of settings. I'm not going to go through all of the settings, but have a play with that. Down there. Did I move it? Can't remember. Pretend we did. And then so now you can drag that back to the beginning, hit play, and you get an idea of what you can do. You can also do is use, oh, stop that, stop. You can use this layer, turn that one off if it helps, or leave it on if it also helps. Going to do a new fill layer, and colour, So let's put that over there. We want that back there. Start at the beginning. This time what we're going to do, play with the opacity of this one. And move it on a little bit. Opacity. Enter. Just carry on. You get the idea. I'm not going to work. So now switch that layer back on and hit play. There we go.